Hey everyone, I'm Laura Ricciardoni and this is my home kitchen. Welcome. This is a taste for all seasons. Today we are making chocolate chip cookies, grain-free chocolate chip cookies. So I'm really excited to show you how to make these. This is kind of the ultimate comfort food for cookies, chocolate chip cookies. But they're kind of just especially cozy in the winter or the fall. With a cup of tea or even dunked in your favorite milk. So I'm making cookies today. I'll go over all the ingredients with you and then I'll show you how to make it. They're pretty simple, particularly when you have all your ingredients laid out as I do. Mise en place, we call that. And then it just makes it a lot of fun in the kitchen to just kind of throw everything in your mixer. We're using a KitchenAid mixer today. You could do this in a food processor as well. All right. Let's go. Okay, so here we go. Putting our butter in. This is softened butter. This has been sitting out for a while, so I just threw the whole stick in. If you want to get a little softer quicker, if you need to, just kind of cut it up in chunks. We're going to put our coconut sugar and then we're putting our coconut oil, which we're not melting it. You want to keep it, the consistency a little bit firmer. Because if you melt it down when you're done with your batter too, it'll spread the cookies out maybe a little bit more than you want to. We are actually going to put these in the refrigerator or the freezer to chill for a little bit. So this is the first step. All right, now we're going to put our eggs in. I'm putting them in one at a time, and I'm just going to mix this on low just to get it started. I like doing eggs one at a time so that you really know that they're going to incorporate well. If you put them all at the same time, it cannot really mix properly. Then our vanilla, beautiful vanilla from Madagascar. I love vanilla. We'll crank this up a little bit, give this a nice mix, and then we will add our dry ingredients. And at the very end, we're going to fold in our toasted walnuts and our chocolate chips. Okay, we're going to scrape this down just a little bit. Make sure it doesn't go up the sides too much. There we go. Then we are going to incorporate all our flours and the arrowroot and all of that. We can't use that. We'll actually use our whisk. You want to whisk it first. Make sure everything's incorporated. We're putting our baking soda and baking powder, our salt, and those really are our dry ingredients. And just give them a nice mix. I like to do it, make sure the bowl is large enough for everything to kind of move around a little bit. And then slowly we're going to pour the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. And this is going to make our batter. Okay. Again, you want to do this slowly. You could put the mixer on a little bit higher, I think. And then at the very end, okay, got all that in there. This is a cookie batter, it's not a cake batter, so with a cake batter you don't want to overmix, you just want to mix it just to the point where everything's combined. So you have a little bit more freedom with cookie dough. Okay. Going to scrape down the sides, make sure everything's incorporated, and then we will put in our walnuts and our chocolate chips. All right, we have about 12 cookies on the pan. We don't want to put too many cookies, so we're going to do this in batches because they are going to spread. You just want to make sure they have enough room. So we'll put them in the freezer for about 5 minutes, 10 minutes is fine, and then we'll pop them in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. All right. The chocolate chips really come through. They're perfectly sweet, not overly sweet. These are really good chocolate chip cookies. Thank you for watching, everyone. If you like this content, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also, you can visit my website for more delicious gluten-free, grain-free, and vegan recipes at laurierichardoni.com. So, until next time, bon appetit though.